Let's fill out the New York cat bill of sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price. In our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you've just bought a cat in New York, and you're wondering what protections come with that purchase. Let's walk through the key requirements together. First, the seller has to provide you with written information at the time of sale. The state commissioner sets out exactly what that information must include, and the dealer has to sign the document to certify it. If your cat needs a rabies vaccine under New York public health law, the dealer also has to hand you a written notice from the Department of Health summarizing rabies immunization requirements, right there at the point of sale. Now, if your cat gets sick after you bring it home, timing matters a lot. For a general illness, you have 14 business days from the sale, or from when you received the required written notice. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.